Hello class 7. Today we are going to solve the rest of the sums in the chapter number 13, motion and time. Now children, some were asking that ma'am question 1 or question 2 आपने नहीं समझा है, but question 1 and question 2 these are not sums. Okay, so I start with the question number 3 and your sum starts from question number 3, 4 and 5. Question number 3, 4 and 5 I have already explained in the before lecture. So today we will going to continue with the question number 6, right? We have done 3, 4 and 5. So let's see our question number 6. What is our question number 6? Salma takes 15 minutes from her house to reach her school on the bicycle. If the bicycle has a speed of 2 minutes per second, then calculate the distance between her house and the school. So we have to calculate the distance of Salma's from home to the school. How many kilometers it is? We have to find that, right? So we will do the solution for this sum. How we will do? You will write like this way. What is the time taken? Right? Time taken. What is the time taken? Time taken is 15 minutes. Right? 15 minutes. Now, we know that we have to convert this time into the second. Or we know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. Right? Or 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. We can say like that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So what we'll do? 15 into 60. We convert into seconds. So 15 6 it becomes 90. It becomes 900 second. It becomes 900 second. Now what is the speed of the bicycle? The speed of bicycle is, we know that the speed of the bicycle is 2 minutes per second. So we will write 2 minutes per second. Right? This is the speed of the bicycle. Now we have to calculate the distance. So how we will calculate? Distance is equals to, we can say, speed into time. This is the formula. Distance is equals to speed into time. So what we will write? We know that what is the speed? Speed क्या है? 2 minutes per second. And what is the time it taken? Time taken क्या है? 900 second. Okay. Now just multiply. 9 2s are. It becomes 18. And how many zeros are there? 1 and 2. Add it. 1 and 2. This becomes in your 1800 meter per minute per second. Right? Now we need to convert into the kilometers. Then how we will do? Because meter is small. So 800 upon 1000. Because we know that 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. Right? Or 1 kilometer is equals to 1000. So what we'll do? 0, 0, 0, 0, cut. What it becomes? It becomes 18 upon 10. We have to write in the decimal because here is 10. It becomes 1.8 kilometer. Right? This will be your answer for the 6. So we will write, so distance of the school from the house is equals to 1.8 kilometer. This is the answer for your question number 6. Now we go for the question number 7. Show the shapes of the distance time graph from the motion in the following case. Now we have to draw the graph. If you don't take graph, you can directly draw in your book also. Now we all know that how to make a graph. In the graph there will be x-axis and this will become your x-axis, right? And this becomes your y-axis, right? X-axis and y-axis, and this is your point of origin. This is your point of origin. And what we have to do? We have to do a distance time graph for a car moving in a constant speed and a car parked on the side road. So here we will take distance. Here we will take distance. इसे हम क्या बना देंगे? Distance. And this we will make it time. And if the car is moving at the constant rate, so the graph will move in this way. The graph will move in the constant speed. ठीक है? I am not using the scale, but you use a scale and make a constant सीधी line बनाने की है. ठीक है? This is for your eye. Second is a car parked on the side road. For that also make a graph like this way. Okay? This becomes your x-axis and this becomes your y-axis. Okay? And this becomes your point of origin. For this make it time. ये time है. And for this you make it distance. Fine. और क्या है? A car park on a side road. तो कैसे कर दोगे? Side road में तो ऐसे सीधा खड़ा है, बस कुछ नहीं, वो चल नहीं रही है. So like this way. So this is the your question number 2. Now which of the following relation is correct? Distance, speed is equals to distance into time, or speed is equals to distance upon time, or speed is equals to one distance by time, or speed is equals to time upon distance. So what is our answer? Speed is equals to distance upon time. Right. Now we go for the question number 9. What is the basic unit of the speed? The basic unit of the speed will be what? Kilometer per minute, meter per minute, then kilometer per hour, or minute per second. We know that the speed is always minute per second. Now we go for the question number 10. A car moves with a speed of 40 kilometers per hour and 15 kilometers per a car moves with a speed of 40 kilometers per hour for 15 minutes, and then it with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour for next 15 minutes. Then find the total distance covered by the car. So पहले कार कौन सी स्पीड पे चल रही है? 40 किलोमीटर्स. कितनी मिनट के लिए? 15 मिनट्स के लिए. Afterward the speed of the car changes. What the speed of the car is? It is 60 kilometers per hour. And for how many minutes it go? For 15 minutes. Then we have to see what is the total distance covered by the car. तो ये 15 minutes और ये 15 minutes दोनों 15 minutes ले चल रही है. पहले 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर में चल रही है और दूसरी 60 किलोमीटर. तो दोनों की हम पहले स्पीड निकालेंगे कितना कितना चला और फिर देन वी एड इट, देन वी विल गेट द आंसर. ये द ऑप्शंस आर गिवन, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो हाउ वी विल do? So we will go for the question number 10. Right. So first what we will write? We will write distance covered by the car. What is the distance covered by the car in first? Fine. What is that? It is 15 minutes. 15 minutes के लिए चल रहा है 15 minutes, and we know that it is speed into टाइम. ये क्या है? स्पीड इनटू टाइम. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज अवर स्पीड? हमारी स्पीड क्या है? वी ऑल नो दैट speed is, we have here, speed is 40 kilometers per hour, right? So speed is 40 kilometer into how many minutes? 15. इनको हम किस में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं? आवर्स. एंड वी नो दैट 60 minutes becomes 1 hour. So let's cut it. 5 za 5, 3 za, and this becomes 5, 12 जा. ठीक है. ऊपर नीचे इसको कट कर सकेंगे और ज़्यादा कट होगा. ये 3, 1 जा और ये 3, 4 जा 12. ठीक है. और ये भी अभी कट हो सकता है 4 और ये इसको भी कट कर सकें 4, 10 जा 40. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 10 किलोमीटर्स. आया समझ में? सो दिस इज़ फॉर द फर्स्ट. नाउ वी गो फॉर द सेकेंड. सो डिस्टेंस covered by the car in the next is, we must know what is the next time the covering the speed is. Speed क्या है उसकी? Speed is 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. राइट. तो हम क्या कर देंगे इसको ऐसे 15 minutes is equals to speed into time. ठीक है. now we know this, what is the speed? 60. तो 60 लिख दो. टाइम क्या है? 15. आवर्स में डालना है तो इसको डाल दो नीचे 60. राइट. now we can cut it. 3, 5 za, sorry, it will become 5 3 za, sorry, 5 3 za and 5 12 za. Right. Again we can cut 3 1 za and 3 4 za. This can be again cut 4 1 za and 4 5 za. It becomes 15 into 1. So this becomes 15 kilometer. Right. So here we get 10 kilometer and here we get 15. So plus it. 10 kilometer plus 15 kilometer. So what will be our answer? It will be 25 kilometer. This will be your answer. So the correct option will be 25. So this is the completion of your question number 10. Please write it down in your notebook. Thank you, children.